Yeah, it's amazing when you do these videos and then you think about it a little bit more. And I should have come up with a better way of measuring this to this. So I've cracked out the combination square and I'm now holding that against the blade and the base rail of the skill saw, because every skill saw, every manufacturer, these base rails are different. And it's actually 40 millimeters, not 37. So when I now place this on my cut mark, which is here, on my guide rail, I've now got that spot on. So this waste wood is the waste, and then that's taken in consideration. This is only a, sorry, the battery's out, is a 3mm blade. So that's really how you set it up, and then you can do straight cuts with a skill saw without having to spend loads of money on a guide rail. I mean, this really works as well if you're doing a lot of roofing and you're cutting a lot of OSB or you know, weatherproof ply, and you don't want to use your guide rail in the rain, because who wants to use you know, a bad boy like that on a roof? Nobody. They want to use something like that, don't they? So this video is really to show you guys how to cut material straight using tools you already have, or if you don't have, you can buy a straight edge from anywhere, a level, you can use a level, a clamp from any manufacturer. These, in this video, is what I've already got. That's why you see it. So this video is basically showing you how to cut that ply using this method rather than using that and a guide rail. Keep an eye on my other videos, guys. I'll be doing a lot more. Remember, the slower you go, the faster you go. There you go. Nice, straight cut without using a guide rail. There we go. Hello YouTube, thanks for watching my channel. This is going to be a series of videos now I'm going to be doing of teaching people tips and tricks about carpentry. Now this video here is how to cut ply without using a really expensive guide rail. So I'm just going to go through the process now. So take your battery out of your skill saw first, because we don't want you pressing the trigger. What I need to do is measure the material, which I've done, and I've put my 2 marks on the material that I'm going to cut. I've then got my level, straight edge, any sort of straight edge that you've got, and I'll show you how I'm going to do this. But this basically is going to be my guide along here. It's going to run against the straight edge. So I now need to measure the distance between the guide base plate to the blade, which is on skill saws. If you can see this, I'll zoom it in when I edit the video, is there. So I'm going to do that measurement now. It's about 37 mil on this saw. Each manufacturer's saw base plate varies. So from your line you want to cut, so from your finished line, come back 37 millimeters. Get your straight edge. Quick clamps, Bessie clamps, Festool clamps, it doesn't matter. Whatever you've got. Clamp your straight edge. so it doesn't flip up, to those marks. And I'm going to zoom the camera in now so you can see that. This is where I need a GoPro. If you're watching, GoPro. So that's my finish line. That's waist. This is what I want to keep. So I've measured 37mm back, which is my fence. And now I can cut that waste material off very, very straight by doing this method. So what I've done is measured this part to the base from my finished cut back, clamped my fence, my guide onto the material. Now I can cut along that and it will be straight. Video there showing you how to achieve a guide rail cut without spending hundreds of pounds. Thanks for watching, and remember, the slower you go, the faster you go.